let us understand. Now I'm going a little technical as well, because these are some of the renowned authors and scholars. So let us understand marketing from their perspective, what they have mentioned. So I'll define marketing with the help of these four renowned authors. So let's see what CIM. CIM is Chartered Institute of Marketing. AMA is American Marketing Association. Flip Kotler is the guru of marketing, and then Peter Drucker is also very famous scholar in the field of management domain as well. See, don't be confused with the data. I'll be talking about the keyword only. If you talk about the Chartered Institute of Management, how they have defined. See, they said they have captured the keyword called customer satisfaction. That is the bottom line here. That is the summary, that is the gist, that is the main term. So the management process of anticipating, identifying and satisfying customers requirement profitably. So इसमें आप कीवर्ड सिर्फ इतना ही लिख लीजिए, customer satisfaction. That is it. CIM. So if somebody asks you the focus of CIM was where, you should say customer satisfaction only. American Marketing Association, ये पूरा पढ़ने के बाद you'll find it that they have actually spoken about customer value only. So I will not read the entire definition. However, the main punch here is customer value. So marketing is the activity or set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings. So nutshell में ये घूम फिर के आपको customer value की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. And Peter Drucker have
Sir,
mentioned, yes please.
what's the difference between customer satisfaction and the customer value?
बेटा this is going to come. अभी मेरे स्लाइड्स में आएगा ये. So आप लोग प्लीज लिख लीजिए इन टर्म्स को. अगर वो नहीं कवर होगा मैं इनवाइट करूंगा अभी क्वेरीज, राइट? अभी आ जाएगा बेटा. आई एम गोइंग टू इनवाइट क्वेरीज. सो तीन टर्म्स मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट इज कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, सेकंड इज कस्टमर वैल्यू, एंड पीटर ड्रकर हैज सेड branding, basically pull sales. So that is the aim of marketing. So aim of marketing is to make selling unnecessary. What does that mean? That means customers should come to me in order to buy the products and services. I should not go to customer. I should not force my customer. I should not push him. So this is what maza to tabhi hai when customer is coming to us. So that is what Peter Drucker has mentioned. So now moving further, so you see yellow में आपको दिखेगा मेरा main content. So focus on yellow text. So American Marketing Association, you will see value plus relationship. Somebody is asking me the difference between customer value and satisfaction. That is just going to come in. अभी आ जाएगा. So I don't want to disturb the flow of the presentation. अभी बात कर लेते हैं. Aim of marketing is branding, as I have already mentioned. There is the Peter Drucker, that is the main of marketing. So ये आप लिख लीजिए please. American Marketing Association is mainly focused on value and relationship, and aim of marketing is nothing but branding. So अगर आपसे कोई marketing का definition पूछता है, so you should say marketing is nothing but it is equal to sales plus branding. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, और आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो marketing is equal to customer satisfaction plus customer value plus customer relationship management. Or otherwise, with using these three terms, you can define what marketing is, like the way they have defined. That's the way you can do that as well. But usually in exams, they may ask you, please define marketing according to American Marketing Association. Please define marketing in context of what Peter Drucker has said. Please define marketing with the perspective of Philip Kotler. अब देखो ये कितना सारा इन्होंने लिखा है यहाँ पे. What is marketing? Science and art of exploring, creating and delivering value. But अगर आप इसको पूरा पढ़ेंगे तो नटशल आएगा. Marketing means identifying the need of target market and generating profits. So this is what is in a nutshell. So अगर फिलिप कॉटलर पे जाके बात करेंगे, so आपको अपना context change करना पड़ेगा. पीटर ड्रकर पे जाके बात करेंगे, so you will have to change your context, right? American Marketing Association, you will have to change your dialogues, your discussions. So there are 50 more definitions of marketing. In each domain, you will find there are 100 definitions. But then we have to be very much clear with what basics is all about. सारा नहीं देखना है हमें. हमें देखना है मेन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, मेन पंच क्या है, जिस्ट क्या है, समरी क्या है, इन्फ्रेंस क्या रहा. So this is what we are supposed to understand. So marketing means the knowledge or the art and science of choosing target markets, growing your customers, growing your markets, ensuring your reach takes place. So basically, you create awareness in marketing. You communicate.